People?
I'll be trading for a revolver. Join the code 69 if you want to trade for a revolver.
I got a trade in my backpack. I have a trade in my backpack. I got a
Wait!
Hypno.
It's rarer than the revolver.
I will hypno you.
If anybody wants to grind for money, don't go GHYT.
It's rarer than the revolver. Yo.
If anybody, GHYT. The code is GHYT. The code is GHYT.
I got the
And enter.
Okay, I'll trade for that.
Hi.
Who's that?
Yay! So we're gonna be grinding for money.
And I got revolvers.
Okay.
We give us one. You said that if we join a code, then we get.
I never said that. All I said was if you.
Yeah, he never said that. He said
If you wanna. No.
grind
I
money.
said
He never
if you
said
wanna grind for money, join the code GHYT.
Yeah,
Okay,
true.
hold up. I need to get.
Yeah, I'm
something
pretty
else.
poor, so that's why I want to grind.
Should we go to
yeah.
sewers?
No. Go to Haunted Mansion. It costs a lot of money there. If you get a
I'm not getting a new backpack because I'm gonna be protecting you guys.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Is this low? I can't tell if this is loaded or
What?
not.
The revolver? You gotta clock it back.
The revolver
You gotta
isn't
cock the hammer.
loaded. No, we're going to Haunted.
I got my 2 ray guns out. We're going to Haunted.
No, we're not. We're going to
I
sewers.
got my rig. I pulled.
I whip my ray gun out. I whip my
Come on.
nuts out.
How about 2 of us go to haunted and the other 2 go to sewers? Huh?
No, I'm the one who's gonna open doors because I know.
Huh.
Wait a minute.
Wait,
Hey.
what?
Yeah.
Wait,
What's up?
we have to join a different code. What the?
We're grinding for money in this code.
Yo! I have a revolver in here. We were trying to do like the.
Do you wanna just go?
Wait, this is our code, so do y'all wanna like leave or something? Alright, y'all can leave.
Yo, bro, friend
Alright.
calls me back, bro.
Bye.
Friend calls me back. Put the code UIJ and then space. UIJ space join.
Once I get more money, like once I get to like good pay, then I'm
gonna wait for-
gonna start to get like, then
Open
I'm
the
gonna
crate,
start to like get crossbows and the grenades are, you know, and then I'll use that to walk on stick in there.
If we find the key,
Hold up, I'm coming to y'all. Yo, who died? I'm just collecting stuff. I'm not gonna take anything. I'm not even taking anything. Shut up.
Okay, good.
Just getting my stuff. Come on.
Like I did.
Come on. Your backpack and whatever's still over there. I didn't take anything.
Okay, give me the
No,
light.
this is my light.
I
bro.
need
Wait on Haunted Mansion. Wait.
Bro, then shine it. I need to see. There you go.
There, get your stuff.
Where's my water ray gun? Where's my
I didn't
water ray
take
gun?
it, bro. Oh, wait, right here.
It's right here.
Which one of y'all stepped on the landmine?
Yeah, like. Wait, bro, shine your light. I gotta get the shotgun, bro.
I'm here.
Bro, I'm at the. Yo. I only got your back. Where's my backpack? Where are you? I'm right here. Here. Give me my backpack. Give me. I don't know where's your shotgun because I blasted away with my ray gun.
Yeah, the shark?
Come on, this way.
There's nothing
This way.
over there.
Found it. Where? Right here, I got it. Where?
Come on, let's go.
Thank you. This way. Don't step on that. Bro, come on. Okay. No, okay. Kikia. Vamos.
Key.
Shine the light.
Nothing over here.
Bro, come. We lost bro. Yeah, bro. Flare gun.
Nope.
Okay, this way.
Guys!
Where is it, Bo? You blasted
Where is it?
Yeah, Bo.
Got
You
it. I got
blasted
it.
it. Alright, let's go.
Big boy. Come on, he found
Skibbity toilet will be mine, yeah. Ohio got it.
Yo, I'll give you a shotgun for the.
Sure,
Like-
you drop it first. Alright.
Just kidding.
Yo, come on. I'll get him. Yo, over here.
Let's fish up. Come on, let's fish up. Come here.
Jesus, what took you?
Get over here.
Hey.
Yeah, what took you so long? You suck.
Wait, guys! Wait here.
What?
Down we go!
Someone collect them. I'm not collecting them.
Here. How about you put it in your bag? Here.
No, we only need the blue ones.
No, the red one is so cool. You need all of them. I need whatever. Bro, the blue ones is a bit cheap. Wait. Wait, dump it out because my red gun is glitching. Bro. Hey.
Hold up. Wait.
Hey, bro. Wait. You're dead, bro. No, I'm just gonna put it. Hey, bro, don't jump in.
Okay.
Collect them and I'm gonna collect the rest. You guys stay right here.
No, come on. Stay up here.
Here, bro. I got some.
Put them in my backpack.
Put them in mine too, bro.
Right here. It's right here. You brought yours next to me.
No!
Ready?
My backpack is filled.
Okay,
I don't have enough money.
Yeah, you can run.
Yo, can you buy me one?
guys.
I don't have enough. Thank you.
Yeah, just one.
Oh, frick.
I'm gonna see.
Back in the lobby.
Wait!
Well, I'm not selling anything, bro. Chill. Bro, my headset was lagging, but yo.
But guys.
What?
Watch out, don't worry, I got it.
Guys, here's the ball. Here's the ball.
Wait, no.
Don't shoot them. If you shoot them, then more of them are gonna fly out.
I'm not shooting them.
I think we're good.
I'm not shooting them.
Yo! That's honestly pretty.
But bro, guys, we missed one. I literally found this when I was going up.
Leave my gun.
What's up, let me look at this.
There's one more. Bro, give me my shotgun ammo. Give me my shotgun ammo.
What? I don't.
My shotgun ammo.
My bad, bro. Here, bro. My bad.
What the hell?
I thought I dropped them. Self machine.
What's it?
Sell it.
You
It has
sell
one
it.
red ore. It has one red ore.
Yo, guys,
What?
How'd you get that?
I bought it when we were at the.
Wait, what?
the
You can't buy it? Did
Yeah,
you
you
just pull
can.
that out of your bag?
Is there?
Well, then empty out your
No,
bag then to
I
see if
mean,
there's
no.
anything in it.
No. Let's go there again and see if he's
No,
telling the
he's
truth or
not. You can't buy the revolver.
No, I
Yes,
think it's
you
in the
can.
autumn. Come on, let's go.
You can't back like it's on.
Yellow, what? You can't buy it, Yellow?
They can't buy it, bro. He took it from someone.
This is not there. I was lying.
No, really?
No.
What if he's actually
He just said, he literally just said he was lying.
Yeah, like
I literally stole one from somebody. Now I see why everybody's saying,
Who?
do you want to go to the haunted mansion? Do you want to go to the haunted mansion? Blah, blah, blah.
My way gun! No!
They're not
Hawk
there.
Tua!
What? You were lying? Yes. Hold on, let me check the forgotten place real quick.
Money, money,
I want to see if it's in the forgotten
money,
place.
money, money, buddy, 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 buddy. Money is just money, and money is very money. Money, 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 money.
You can literally buy one from the forgotten places. There's literally one at the forgotten place.
yo, look. He was
Wait, actually,
you were
actually-
lying. Look.
No, for real?
Yeah, it wasn't.
Like there's a secret area.
No,
Like
no
literally-
way.
I was sick. I was going to check.
What do you mean? It's
until
not
we do
here, bro.
inside.
You're lying, bro.
Bro, literally spawned right here, bro. You're lying. That's it. If you think that I'm lying, I'm gonna explode you with a grenade.
Where?
Right in my hand.
Where is it?
Right in my hand, boy.
Who angry? Wait, he's red wash.
Huh?
This is no PvP server, bro.
Thank you.
You lucky.
Yep, he is a lucky boy.
Wait, guess what? That's not how I actually got it. It was actually inside my backpack.
I knew it.
Yeah, same, bro, same. We scammed you, boy.
See ya.
Nah.
No, you touched him.
Wait.
The scammer got scammed by the scam. Yeah, scammer got scammed, boy.
I've
Bro,
never
literally
seen. Oh, I have 3 of them.
I have 5 of them in my bag.
Are they loaded? Are they loaded? Are they loaded?
Yeah, but one of them are unloaded and one of them are loaded.
Can you give me one of them? Are they loaded?
Bro!
Please, I want one that's loaded. I've never had one. I totally don't have 2 in my backpack that are loaded. Just lying, because I don't. Just give me it, please.
No, bro, I'm gonna hit myself upside down in the floor, bro.
Nope. How do I pick this up? Okay.
Say bye-bye to a shotgun, bro.
Okay. I can just buy one.
Yo, then buy one.
Bet!
I bet you don't have enough money to buy one.
You're right.
I knew it. I have
Well,
enough money to buy one.
Then why did you steal it, huh?
Because I did steal it.
Okay, then actually, what? Bro, actually give it back. I'll report you to Discord.
Actually, I sent it flying.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Actually,
No, it
despawned
didn't.
Because
He.
1 minute, 1 minute's already.
That's not how
passed.
long it takes. That's
Where is
That's
it? Dad?
not
Can
how
you
long
see
it
it?
takes for item to despawn. It takes longer than 1 minute for items to despawn.
Oh, so all my items didn't despawn. Even my one shot.
Yeah, all my items didn't despawn. Even my 4 ray guns and even my 3 ray guns in my bag, and even 1 shotgun in my bag. Flexer,
Oh, not here.
flexer.
Yeah, like I literally have 3 ray guns in my bag and 1 ray gun in my hand and
That's how we're here to grind money. That's
Oh
what
yeah. Let's go grind.
and one more. I stole your shotgun and I got it in my ray gun and then I put it in my bag.
Yo, can you add me in
Who, me?
a different code?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah. Cause this kid's just a flex.
Yeah, I sent you a request.
Man, nah, boy, I can do a code of you, boy.
Alright, join me. Yo, you here? So what do you want
what's
to
up?
do in this code?
I'll just give you
Okay.
something. Hey, have a revolver.
Actually,
Yeah, for real, take
Really?
it. It's right there, in the ground.
thank you. You
welcome.
can have that if you want. I don't really use ray guns. This is actually cool.
I don't know if these are loaded because someone is.
I like it.
I know they look cool and they sound
Just
cool.
just don't go into a public with PvP.
Yeah. 'cause
Can you
they're
put
just
like
gonna kill
shopping ammo inside of this? Would that work?
you. No, sadly not. They should add something for like They should add ammo for this.
I mean,
And so
the
other
thing is
people
that
can
like
get-
it is unreleased, so they probably not since it's unreleased.
Yeah. Let me check my other one. Oh. Let me put this in. Let me check my other one. Okay. This, so this one goes
Thank you,
And both of them. just
thank
went in
you.
there. But you're welcome.
Gonna put that in my
You're welcome.
backpack. So what do you want to go to? Like haunted sewers? What?
I didn't want to go into anything. I just want to give you a free
Revolver? Oh,
thing.
well, thank you.
Yeah, free revolver.
I actually really appreciate it.
So I'll make sure tomorrow. Yeah, but tomorrow, remember that you have in your backpack because it saves.
Alright.
Remember?
Okay.
And I'm about to hop off, so
Alright, you
have
too.
a good day. Wait, before I hop off, we're literally the same
Oh,
color.
yeah.
What the heck?
Thank you.
Well,
See
peace,
ya.
bro.
Yo. Did I actually just... I actually just got one. Actually cool. I actually have one. Why is it? Because it's not as great whenever you have it. It's better whenever there's bullets in it. I'm just gonna go inside of a public without PvP and see how people react.
You broke the machine. You want a football cell?
Have y'all seen my fish anywhere? Have y'all seen my pet fish somewhere?
Fish where?
Alright. Have y'all seen my pet fish
Nice
anywhere?
catch, dumbass.
Have you seen my pet fish?
Fishy!
Bro, have y'all seen my pet
Yeah, it's over here.
fish? Oh, there
Yo, I see the fish. I see your pet
buddy.
fish.
No.
Hey, do you hear that?
No.
I think I hear the dogs, kids. Kids, I hear the dogs.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh.
Serious enough.
I need my flashlight.
I'm sorry to break it to you, bro, but that's not a fish.
What do you mean, bro?
Find
That's
it.
a bigger fish.
That ain't a fish, bro. Guys, the mommy's there.
I need Point that.
Point there with the flashlight!
That's something I need.
Hey, can you drop me that revolver? I just want to see how it works.
Hey, don't move it.
I got it, bro. I got it.
Don't
Can I see that revolver? I just want to see how it works.
In the dreams,
There is a monster.
Something that costs $4,000.
No.
I know, I'm just
There in the
asking
ball,
the
you need to
code.
point to the flashlight.
No.
There.